Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a quick way to get your single player progress back on your PS4 if it got deleted or something like that. And this will only work if you got PlayStation Plus, so we can go up to settings and then scroll on down under here. And we want to go to Application Save Data Management and then go to where it says Save Data in Online Storage right here. And go to Download to System Storage. Now locate the game you're having issue with. Maybe it could be like Grand Theft Auto or something like that. I've had my campaign reset a couple times in that. Also Red Dead Redemption. And this may take a while depending on how much information you actually have, how many games, etc. So just give it about 15 to 20 seconds and then everything should load under here. And then you can select the game specifically and then you can download your campaign progress, your single player progress back to your PS4. So just come to the section download to system storage and just give it some time to load. You try backing out and going back to it. Select the game and download it and you should be able to get your single player progress back. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.